Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring one course for all of you, and that course is the fashion designing course. And this course is totally provided free, and certification also provided after completion of this course. So you no need to pay any amount, but for getting this course free you have to go through promo link. That promo link I will provide you, and follow my step to get this course free, and don't miss any step, so that you will not miss any important things that you have to remember while enrolling for this course. And this course duration is around 2 months, and it is provided by the Newark University, that is the Museum of Modern Art. So now we'll move on to the website, and that I will show you. For that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming update of the channel and other online courses. So now move on to the website. See here, I already opened this link, and this link I will provide on the description part. So guys, go through this link only. This is a promo link, so that you will get the course free enrollment with a free certification. And this course is available on Coursera. So see here, after opening this link you will get this option. See here, other courses are also available through this promo link. There are a lot of courses available, and you can go through that you want to enroll. But this video is about for fashion designing only, that's why I tell you about this course only. So open this link and then move on to the option fashion and design course. See here, the university name, the Museum of Modern Art. Click on this option. After that, a new page will be open. See here, so after this, wait for this pop-up will be upload, show on your page, so that you will get this course totally free. About this course, so move on. See here, 47% start a new career after completing this course, and remaining 40% got career benefit from this course also. And this course is totally 100% online. Flexible deadline is there, approx 18 hours to complete, that means around 2 months. So we go to the enroll option, click on enroll for free. After that, you have to create your account. Just put your full name, email ID, and create a password, and just click for join for free option, and no need to do anything. If you are new to this website, and if you are already enrolled in this website for other courses, then you can go to the login option. And I already have an account on this website, that's why I go to the login option. So click on the login option. After that, put your email ID and password, and just click on the login option. See here, it already show your promotion will be applied at checkout. Purchase is 100% off. A free enrollment available for June 31st. Otherwise, I will show you. See here, this page will become after login. This page will become. Then click on the enroll for free. Then you will get same page here. Then you can click on the continue option. See here, it is so. Course certificate $49, discount is minus $49, that is total 0. And you can go to the course option, then you can continue your study. In this way you can avail this course and learn this course. So guys, this much only for today. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming video. And please like and share our video to your circles. Thank you so much guys for watching this. Bye, take care. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.